Welcome to Times Square! Ryan. Look, they have a bunch of stalls right
There's dumplings over
there. Nice, Bobby. The view, though. Wow. We're gonna try Joe's Pizza. Apparently their pizza slices are really big here. So I'm excited for that. Yeah. There's a little bit of a queue. A little bit. But if Atishi says it's worth the wait, then we will wait. You ready for some pizza?
Yeah.
What are you gonna get?
Plain, something meaty, and what else?
I want something spicy.
Pizza slices here are big.
Guys, this happened again. If you ask for like garlic sauce or something, it's like illegal. They were like, we don't have sauce. You don't need it.
Yeah.
I do.
Greenwich Village Institution.
Yo. Look at that cheese.
Again.
How big it is. Wow. Ari.
Sirens. Now we got the full
Good ass pizza.
Sarap. Kuya, what do you like? You like it? Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my goodness.
That's creepy stuff.
Oh my god, stop it right now. You guys. Oh,
Fun
that's
stuff.
so cute.
7 years.
Stop. This is the cutest thing ever. But is the view nice? Oh my god.
That's a pretty good, yeah.
Happy anniversary. Yeah. I'm gonna get the Wagyu. The domestic Wagyu. And we're gonna get some sushi. This place is so nice, you guys.
It was like, if you want like oysters,
Happy anniversary, my handsome bear. Good morning. Day 2. We're gonna go to Koreatown, but we're gonna grab coffee first and tea. Because Saber can't function without coffee.
Well, you could find something there.
I need tea. Let's go. What are you doing?
Watching the top of the Empire State. Get it?
Totally. We made it to Koreatown. Food Gallery 32. They have a bunch of food options there, so we're gonna try. Sami chicken. Mmm. Oh, that's really good. We finished eating and now we're going to a Korean skincare store. I'm out of my Dr. Althea cream. Hi, Dr. Althea team. Baka naman. But yeah, it's supposed to be around here. Clearance sale, my favorite word. Lego, 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 Lego. Oh my gosh. YouTube Frozen sunscreen, it's only $15. I think we should get one. Good secured. We're on the way to go see Savior's Landmark. There's Savior's Landmark. He's so happy about it. Not him. Yes, Bobby, they saw. I'm gonna watch Friends when we get back to the hotel. Xavier hasn't properly watched it. He just said, "This is where Chandler and Becca." Who is Becca?
Oh no.
I only have 10% battery remaining, so this is us in front of the Friends building. 20,000 steps later, and we made it to the Dumbo. View the Manhattan Bridge. Yes, sir. She's so pretty. I love it. Wow. Hi, babe. Do you like the view? It's so pretty.
So
My camera died, so this is where you're gonna see the view. Wow. Madness. My camera has died, but here we are at Mango. Maybe we got a mango sundae. You eat, Bobby. Tell us what it's like. Is it good? Bobby up. Good morning. It's our last day at the hotel. We're checking out today, and I'm going to miss this beautiful view. Insane. Thanks, Johnny. You rock. We don't know where to eat, so I think we're gonna eat at Jollibee. It's just easier. I don't know. Adishi will show us where to eat. So. Okay. Let's go. Guys, they don't have yum burgers here in America. Chicken burgers. What'd you get, babe?
Chicken joy as usual and spaghetti.
Pineapple juice. Yum. That's a lot of rice, no?
Oh yeah.
I'd prefer if my gravy was this size, but it's okay. Welcome to the New York Public Library. I couldn't really see anything here. It's kind of closed. Like, obviously it's for people who are studying, so I respect that. But the building is pretty cool inside. Hi, babe. Here's Grand Central Station. That's where they filmed Gossip Girl. And Avengers. And Spider-Man. Madagascar. That's all I got.
And just as suddenly, she's back. Don't believe me?
On the other side, it's just Apple. It's just literally just an Apple store. Purely Apple. Even on that side. Consumerism. It's so weird being inside air and like this. A small nap later, made it to the Daily Bugle. Amazing.
So here we have the Flatiron Building, which I like to call the Daily Bugle from Spider-Man. Sucks that it's under construction, but this building means a lot to everybody. It means a lot to me.
Tabor wants to play chess with a man. I don't know if this is a trap. Hi.
I do lessons for 90, regular games is 20 bucks. What? Ireland against the US. Let's go. Come on.
Guys, I found a squirrel. Look at him. I've explored the park. Let's see if Saber's winning.
Well, that's 20 bucks well spent.
Have a good day now, girl. Bye now. Have a good day. Gulat ka nang may bayad na.
Huh?
Gulat ka na.
You told me at the start as well.
No. You sat down and then he told you. Buti ka na lang may $20 tayo. Oh my God. Sige pa, ma. Post ka pa. Yo.